Hey there, folks. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of downloading all of your photos and videos from Google Photos to your computer. Let's jump right into it. Alright, whether you're using a computer or a phone, you can follow along with this guide. Here we are in Google Photos. Now, to download all your photos and videos, we're going to utilize Google's Takeout tool. Let me show you how. Click on your Google profile picture at the top right. Then select Manage your Google account. Next, go to Data and Privacy, and then scroll down and click on Data from Apps and Services. Scroll down until you find Google Photos under Data from Apps and Services. Click on Download. Choose your export options, like the file type and size. Then click on Create Export. You'll receive an email once your export is done. Or you can come back to the Google Takeout page to manage and download your export. Once your export is downloaded, locate the zip file in your Downloads folder and extract it. And there you have it. Your photos and videos are now downloaded to your computer. That's all there is to it. Now you have all your Google Photos safely stored on your computer. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Have a great day.